Hello, Watcher 900 recently asked on Talk Graphics how to create perspective lines such as you could draw a street scenes or a house or something similar to that. And this is the way I go about it. Not everybody has to do the same way, like everything is already. There's lots of different ways. But to start off with, I've got two layers. I've got the perspective lines layer and a building layer. I'm going to be working at the moment in perspective lines layer. I'm going to select the shape editor tool and I'm going to create a horizon line. I'm then going to create a vertical line, holding down the control key. Select that one and select that, shift, select that one, go arrange, alignment, and I'm going to align them centrally. And that gives me one vanishing point down here. I'm going to control K to clone that and move that over there, give me a second vanishing point. Now at this point I must admit that this technique uses a lot of cloning, a lot of shift selecting to select two things at a time, and a lot of arrange, combine shapes, slice shapes, which is control 4. And I can't say that I'm going to say it every time I do it, but that's what it is. So I'm going to select that one. I'm going to go Control K to clone that. I'm going to make that red, and I'm going to make it a lot bigger. And if you notice, the middle still stays on that horizon. Select that one, Control K, and make that one green, and do similar to that. Might have to zoom out a bit, so I'll zoom out to 50%. Maybe it's too long now. Just bear with me, see if I can reduce them down in size. The screen does tend to run away with you when you're doing that. Right. I apologise for that. I'm going to go Control All and I'm going to move it down slowly so that mainly on the page. Select that and select the rotate handle. Rotate that, say like that. And then similarly with the green, the right hand side line, I'm going to rotate that like that. And if you notice that they're rotating around the vanishing point, that's rotating around the vanishing point. I go up here and we can zoom back to 100% now. I can Control K to clone that. And rotate that around like that. And select that vertical line, Control K. Holding down Control, just shift it directly along. Holding down Shift, elongate it. You can move in wireframe and adjust these things as accurate as you want to be. It depends how accurate you want it to be on it. Now I can Control K to clone that line, move it around like that. Again, I can zoom in, wireframe, and that doesn't need adjustment. It's pretty accurate. And just do that. So yeah, I've now got some perspective lines. And just to cut a long story short, I'm going to go into the building layer now. I'm going to create a rectangle. Make it dark red, and for us, just so we can see other things through it, I'm going to give that transparency, go edit, copy rectangle. Right, so I'm now going to select that vertical line, Control K to clone it, Shift, select the rectangle. So I've got two shapes, two objects down here selected, and then go Arrange, Combine Shapes, Slice Shapes, which is Control 4. I want to delete that piece because I don't want it. I've got Control K, clone that line, move it along here to say I want it there. Shift, holding down the Shift key, select the rectangle, Control 4, just slice it and delete that section now. Select that diagonal, Control clone, and Shift select the that rectangle, Control 4, slice it and delete that piece I don't want. Select this other lower diagonal, Control clone, select that shape with a Shift, Control 4. I don't think that actually did anything now because I haven't got that shape. Control 4. I can delete that. Oops. Delete that. Right, I'm now going to create another rectangle here. I'm going to go Control Shift A, which pastes the attributes of the shape that's already on the clipboard, and I'll just adjust the transparency to give it a darker feel. I can then go Control Clone, Shift Select, Control 4, delete, Control Clone if I wanted to, and select that, Shift Select that, Control 4, delete that, Control that diagonal, Control 4, delete, and then select that, Control Clone, Control 4, and delete. So then splits off the perspective layer. You can start to see that you're getting perspective shapes